My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be walking you around our 2024 Dacia Jogger. This is a petrol hybrid electric vehicle with just over 21,000 miles on the clock. Inside we can see that we have 7 seats in total, which are full cloth, with our foldable trays behind our 2 front seats. On our screen we can access our vehicle settings, navigation and smartphone integration. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. If you have any more questions about the vehicle or you'd like to book in for your test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 971 1799.